Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK.
Right, let's get this straight. Day 3 of Songkran, we're the last one standing. So I've cracked open a beer. Reanne said, you can have a beer if you want. I went, you got me. So I'm having a beer. Got my gun. We're going to head down the red light district, see what's going on there.
We are absolutely knackered. As Ben said, this is the day 3 of Songkran, and we were like, we enjoyed it so much. We've got to do it every single day, but it is so tiring, especially for us because we are like over an hour away. So we have to get like a metro, a BTS, loads of walking, so it is taking its toll, especially when you come home at night. It takes twice as long because it's busy, and then you've got to do our road.
Yeah, our road, they just all squirt you and that, and like, oh, this mate, I've had enough.
And it's absolutely crazy. I think last night our road was the mentalist pace we had been the whole time we've been
someone
here.
squirted me outside a hotel. I was like, I'm home.
I'm trying to get in my door.
Home now.
Started off with a group of YouTubers, travelled around Bangkok, went to Koh Sam Road, Siam Square. Yesterday we did Ceylon, Central Wales.
Oh, we've done everything.
We've done quite a lot.
We've been everywhere. The only place we haven't been is Sukhumvit and Pat Pong, which is where we're going today.
Let's get the train started and head down there. We've made it over an hour to get here. Again, busy everywhere, but we've made it for Pat Pong. So let's get this party started. I'm absolutely shattered already. I need a drink, I think.
I'm quite limited on water, eh? So
and it started already. No! Thank you. Alright, we've got water, we've got ammo, we're ready to go. This looks good already.
Yeah.
She's going home. I can't run in these shoes either. I'll definitely split up. I do like some of the names here. Super Pussy. What other names we've got? King Castle.
Super Girls, we're supposed to go.
Super Girls. It's quite tame at the moment. I think we're a bit early. Yeah, I think it's a 7-Eleven a drink needed. Definitely.
Wet the old whistle.
We need to get in the vibe. It's a drinking kind of vibe down here. Oh, we've got a food market though. Let's try the other streets. Maybe there's more happening there. Ben slightly got it. Let's get more like it. I'm surprised they're shooting guns. With food orders. We've got beers, 100 baht. How many times can Ben tread on my feet? It's happens all the time. See, Ben's the one with the gun. I'm unarmed. It's cold. Some of these people are cold. It's cold. That's freezing. I think they can see I'm dry. Oh my god. Oh, it's freezing. Ah, this is more like it. It's quite busy along here. Hello. Yeah, God. Ah, you're slow. Too slow.
this is like the most amount of phalanx I've seen, but even so, it's like quite buzzing down here.
It is. We're going on to the other side of the road now. I feel like there's a lot going on over here.
We're doing a tour.
But it's like all along, like this main road, so cars are still going. It's quite mental, really. Please. Even cooking some food. That was a good shot. That was a powerful one. Oh no! Oh gosh, that's freezing. I saw it coming. I saw it eyeing me up. Well, there's a gun.
I've got the camera, Reanne's doing the shooting, we've swapped roles.
I said to get what?
I I'm unarmed though, I'm like a vulnerable target. Alright, there's a 7-Eleven there. Then we're going to grab a beer, refuel.
Pink lemonade flavour.
All the floors in here are like proper like soaking, but I'm surprised everyone just tolerates it, don't they? Like, I don't suppose they've got a choice.
We found a little seat for a bit. We've got a drink. I've got Smirnoff. They went for Leo. 110, so it's a lot cheaper. I think you're paying about 100 just one of them along the streets. We're like, let's run in 7-Eleven.
I have seen a few people with cans and there's a few empty cans, so it's not like we're like out of sort doing this.
No, loads of people doing it.
Yeah.
We were just sat here for a minute, just like watching everyone. It's so funny. Alright, drink done. I'm a little bit dried off now, so this is going to be painful. We get cold water straight on us.
I know, we made a mistake, didn't we?
I know. Well, when I say dried off, my clothes are still silken wet, but like your arms are dry, so...
Yeah, you get comfortable not being in the water.
I know. Alright, we've got to cross straight over the road, so hold my hand, Ben. Let's cross. Not that it's that busy here. Get in! Oh, I've got the gun, haven't I? Ah! Ben's took the gun. I was only allowed like 30 seconds. He's pumping it. He's getting ready. This road looks mental. This is the main road. Yes, let's go, go, go! I get shot and then Ben protects me and gets him back, don't you?
Quite a bit harsh then, they got him straight in the eyes.
Not in the face! It's where Ben's taller, he gets everyone in the face. Everyone just gets to look in this part. Oh, she's like, nothing to fill it up for free.
She said, go back there and it's free to fill up.
That is half empty.
No, but she said go back any time.
Oh, that's well nice. She's my new best friend. That was ice cold. I wasn't ready for that.
The food smells delicious down there.
Look at it. Hi. That was so cold. Oh, that was so cold.
We have had food.
Get in there. Get in. Here we go, Ben. This is girls can go there. This is the lady club. Oh, here we go.
didn't really know.
Hello, there is.
I didn't really know what to expect down Pat Pong, but this is blown me away. It's just so good down there.
It is.
Brilliant.
We're gonna head to Soi Cowboy now. Alright, we just gotta jump on this tube, I think 3 or 4 stops, and we'll be here. I mean SkyTrain, not tube. I think I'm in London or something. Oh my god, busy. Busy, busy. Busy SkyTrain. Alright, we've just run into Terminal 21 because someone needs a little boy's room. It's got a bladder that small, always. But we're actually heading down Soi Cowboy to go and meet some more YouTubers. We messaged them for ages on Instagram, but finally we've been in the same country and we can meet up. Sun-kissed bucket list, Taz and Libby. We're going to meet you now. Let's go and see them. Man, great man. This is the longest road ever. We forgot and jumped off the Sky Bridge. So don't miss it, because otherwise you're like waiting there for about 10 hours. I don't know if anyone's really playing around here. I'm not sure if Soi Cowboy's going to have anything. Ben, this way. Always going the wrong way. She'll probably sell it to like a foreigner or something. Yeah. Our gun's now gone.
That's it, Songkran's over
Done.
for another year.
3 days done.
3 days done.
Let's go and enjoy a drink. I'm knackered. My feet are covered in blisters because wet sandals just don't work. So I've got plasters all over me.
We're looking forward to getting dry and being dry for a little while.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It'll be nice. And I'm really looking forward to meeting Taz and Libby. We've been chatting forever and been trying to meet up.
Yeah,
and we finally managed to do it. So.
One thing we've got in common, that we've both been in Pakistan, and that's when we first contacted them.
And we've just been talking ever since.
Just talking ever since. Yeah, it's been a long time. So.
This is what I love about YouTube, is meeting people. We've literally had the best few days here, just meeting so many nice, genuine people that are like us as well. Because it is quite hard when you're travelling to like have things involved, like have things in common with other people. So here's Soi Cowboy. This is where we're going. Up to him. Ah, there you go! You've been waiting! Hi guys, good morning. As you can probably tell by the change of the video and it's the next day, we ended up staying out and drinking till like 2 AM. So a little bit delicate today, but we had the best night. We met some amazing friends. Again, we've had such a good time in Bangkok. We've met up with some great people, and Taz and Libby, they were such a laugh. That's why you just can't go for a couple of drinks. You end up clicking and just having the most amazing time. But it is the morning time, and Ben has just got up and gone and got us Thai tea, and I'm just gonna chill today because it has been 3 hectic days of Songkran. It has been the most amazing time ever. It is so good, and I have to say there's just like so much going on. Like, we come back on our road last night. You've probably seen us saying in like all the other videos, our road's really good. I'm not even joking you, it took us an hour in the taxi to get to our place along a road because it was just a massive party. It must have been like the end celebration to it all. And out of the 3 days, I'd probably say the third day is the mentalist. Like, Pat Pong, the street was just so good, and the bars and the people. It's just such a happy time to be here in Thailand. So I highly recommend it. If you can, definitely one of them things you need to experience. Make sure you come to it Songkran next year. It's gonna be a yearly thing for us, and hopefully we can meet up with friends every year. Fantastic. But we're gonna have a chilled, lazy day today, and then get back out tomorrow filming. I think we're gonna do some street food or something, because I feel like I've been here like 5 or 6 days and I've barely ate any Thai food. We actually forgot to eat yesterday. That's how bad it is. So we're gonna go and eat loads of food. So make sure you subscribe.